Hi, Chris here, and I'm here in my workshop, and I'm doing 3D print in our new 3D printer, an Elegoo Centauri Carbon. It's a very nice entry level, I guess you'd call it entry level. Let me fix my glasses. Type of 3D printer. It's fairly reasonable, under 300. So they have a new version too that does multicolor and has some added features that this doesn't have, which is only in the 400s. So I mean, you can take your pick of either one, but I've been really happy with this Elegoo. Right now I have a dryer I've hooked up to it for the filament to be dried, especially in these days right now. It's very rainy here, but it's not as cold as other places. This is California, so, and it's an uninsulated garage, but it works pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the different things I've done with it. It's here next to my laser, which you can see right there. So I have a little area there. So this is my little workshop area here in my garage.